How to enable link preview in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can enable link preview in WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, open up WhatsApp in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you want to set link of any of the website or the YouTube video with the preview of the link, then here's how you can do it. Navigate to the three dot icon at the top right corner and here tap on settings. Once you're on the settings, scroll down a bit and head towards the privacy. Under privacy, scroll down and tap on advanced options, and under advanced option there is an option as disable link previews with the toggle turned on. Now if you like to enable link preview in WhatsApp, then you have to turn off this toggle. After that, now you can send the link with the preview of the link on WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.